Hello, my name is Sabine Flitsch. I'm a professor of chemical biology here at the University of Manchester. I work at the Institute of Biotechnology here in the centre of Manchester. And what I'm going to do today is talk about biomolecules. First of all, I want to give you a bit of an introduction into biomolecules. So what we can see here is an overview of the major classes of biomolecules that you find in nature. First of all, there's DNA, and DNA stores all the information that we need for life. And then DNA gets transcribed into RNA, which is a very, very similar molecule, biomolecule. And that is responsible for linking the nucleic acid world to the protein world. So the next class of biomolecules are the proteins. These are encoded by DNA and they form the proteome in organisms and in life. And the proteins are sort of the workhorse of the biomolecules. So they, for example, have structural roles, but also very importantly, and that's something we chemists are very interested in, they're biocatalysts. So they catalyze all the reactions that happen in nature. And they're responsible for producing and catalyzing reactions that form metabolites. And these metabolites can, for example, be sugars. We know a lot about the genomes these days because we have got very, very good methods of sequencing genomes. And one of the milestones was to sequence the complete human genome earlier in this century. And we have a very, very good understanding now what genomes look like. However, as you go down this chain of biomolecules, the proteome and the metabolome we know much less about. We can sort of predict some of the structural aspects of these, but it's very, very difficult to predict the function from the genome. And there's quite a lot of effort nowadays in biology to try to link the genomes with the proteomes and the metabolomes.